Hello friends, welcome to another Stock Valley video. The topic of today's video is AMD stock. AMD stock has achieved a strong return from past to present. At first glance, we can see an upward trend here, and also a resistance zone at this point. The range of this resistance zone is between $207.10 at the bottom and $227.58 at the top. If we look back, we can see that this move happened around March 8, 2024. After that, selling pressure caused the stock to decline until April 8, 2025. Then, with the buying momentum, today the stock has risen again by 25%, reaching $226. Yes, from April 8 until today, the return has been about 194%, nearly tripling in value. Now, the main question on everyone's mind is, what will happen to AMD stock next? Let's draw a Fibonacci retracement level here. When we draw the Fibonacci retracement, we can clearly see how perfectly the support and resistance levels work, and where the stock has bounced from. If AMD breaks above the $227 level, it could target $265, $293, $334, and even $362. However, as mentioned earlier, this zone has already been tested and is acting as a resistance area. Let's check the indicators. They also show that with today's move, momentum is upward and a strong breakout has occurred. Previously, AMD stock hadn't shown such strong moves. Looking back, there was only one gap up opening, but after that, it was filled, and the price climbed again to around $92. Taking a position here is risky in my opinion, because the stock has already risen quite a lot. If a pullback happens, and the stock returns to around $161.93, that level might be worth watching for a potential entry. If selling continues, and the $161 level breaks downward, we can then monitor around $140 for a possible recovery and buying zone. We'll see in the coming days how AMD stock performs. That's the end of another Stock Valley video. Have a great day, everyone.